Curious King, Richard Reference. Working for nothing would leave you with nothing. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here, surrounded by.
And Jane,
Yes, Daddy.
I wash.
Yes.
But me I say, the time say one pair of shoes. When I buy you for go up on the road, you know. You wash, you know.
Daddy, me not chew me come from me never worry if you take you off.
Look how me attack you. Looking at my face and I talk to your child. Stop wash now and go put on the slippers. I can't believe it. Yeah, make you look like money grow up on tree.
Everything is someone you have problems with.
Yeah, you shouldn't even know. Just help me with him.
How you do, Daddy?
Why? You duck and some man I'm down the whole line of house bottom.
From when me did I tell you, you know?
Me have to go get some engine oil and pay one of them stack go on us because I can't go on the house bottom.
And the dress of them down in our room.
Them that chichi, but those duck are the bigger one. But anyway, we don't have it in a luxury, you know. Just anything me buy, try make it serve you for a long time. See if the slippers that make if you go in the water and the shoes. The shoes them nowadays no last too long, so I buy just try make it serve you. A dry time shoes them. So when I say differently now, we know that one nice place in the island here in Jamaica, you know. You understand? So I fight. It's a battlefield, it's a war out there. When we go out there on the road and make the shillings them, I don't want your fees to better roads. You understand? You just have done you and deal with everything so. Different about that now. When I send you to school, I send you to go prepare yourself for the future. So that means you can stand up in the world. So how you in the school are going now?
Well, we have my SBAs them, but me I work on them and the teacher them I help me.
So how much you want to subject them now?
6,000
6,000.
for one, like how me dey on part.
But what me I say now? How much subject you want to know?
I want to do 7 subjects and like how me dey on part of $6,000 for one.
6,000 for one subject them? Alright, so 6 times 7 is how much?
Daddy? Must be 30.
Mossy, do the maths and tell me because yo, how much it be?
Must be 30.
Yeah, what? Do the maths and when I find the maths, me decide if me about to pay fee. That's not right. How much it be?
40.
A 40? 7?
42. 42.
I don't want you to play with me now.
Yes, Daddy.
Come here talk to you, I'm here there. Because if your mama run gone, you know, come back. Me no matter about what you want to do with film life, but you have to ensure you live a good life. That means that when you go on out of the world, you can't catch something and give your papa in the end of the days. Them. You know what I mean? Some more you hold up your head. You don't want to see you on the street, you know, bag of boy and no bag of friend, no company.
Yes, Daddy, me I go make you proud.
Oh, you say ugly like me? You have to make your papa proud, you're supposed to be lucky. Can you favor your papa?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright, so what I'm going to do here now, I go get a piece of money. So I will think of my money going I'm going to want a different piece of trade. Because I do masonry work already, but sometimes masonry work go up and down. I go start though the next carpenter work now. I learn a trade fast because my brain quick like that. So if you pass the subject them, you're on your way to college. You hear me?
Pass them, Daddy.
Alright, so go and wash your wash and do your thing.
Yes, Daddy.
I'm going to cook some food for you.
Yes, Daddy, because I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
Why rough?
I can't believe you say. When the MP wanna vote for, can't help you put you somewhere if you build a one room.
MP don't nothing for nobody, and you well I know that.
So listen me now, you know if people are going to mess down again, go bad her again. So you want me I go help you. You see people that own the place are foreign in there and I may watch them place to them. So you only can set up a little part there right now, put on a little bed of ground and put on door there and you go and stay there. Nobody now have trouble here still because it's running something better. Alright, so we go set up around this up here so you can have a good sleep in the night, isn't it?
Alright then.
So here.
Alright then.
Can't believe we said the big old MP where we have vote for every day. Where we have vote for. Can't believe we said such a program. Alright, you see this now? Are your curtain, so when you're in there at night time,
Yeah.
you black out your sun.
Alright.
So, are you that here?
Yeah man, respect.
Curious king, which are my friends. Working for nothing would leave you with nothing. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. The war is on, yes, the war is on. Before you're born, look like your life is gone. You see them all laugh, your face gone. It's the burden we bear. Who will listen, them will hear. Come on, my brother, clean your heart from the fear. These challenges that we face on a daily basis. Man, I kill them brother if you wear the latest. Almighty, him are the greatest. Dirty Babylon full of craft and matrix. I feel like I'm sinking in quicksand. I hope you understand. Who weapon launch and know them a blame it on the rat pot. Better know yourself and better.
Hello. Evening.
Evening.
Oh, you're gonna go.
Me yard.
You look nice though.
Thanks.
So give me a number.
Why? Give me a reason if you give me my number.
Because I see I walk from way down the side, I say you look nice.
Thanks.
How old are you?
18.
18, you're a big girl man. So
So such a big man like you want a school girl?
I'm a father, I want to say no.
Hello.
Yes, darling.
Good girl, how you do? Eh? What me say now? What you do for road to talk to man?
I him say, he might tell me something.
Tell us say what?
Might tell me say, my father own one place up there, so.
So what if you find out only what that say?
No, he just ask me say if I don't know him, and I say no.
So I at school there? What me say
No,
must do?
come here.
When they left from school, me say to come in your yard.
Come.
You not book for study?
Yes, daddy.
You not SBA and CSBA though?
Yes, daddy.
Hey girl, I never lick for your bonnet, you know. I know I lick you now, you know. You hear me?
Yes, daddy.
Come go on here, I'm take and lick you down. Yo, you where you doing my daughter? I'm looking at daughter, I send her to school at, you know. I'm looking 17-year-old, you know. I don't want to know young boy if you can breed her off, you know.
You know who you deal with?
Listen to me. When you look at daughter, you should have on the left, you take the right. You understand?
So badness, yeah.
But me I say to you, you know, you got prison for her, you know. Me know her age group, me know her age, you know. You got prison. You don't need to know how you know, because some young boy have a gun, you know. You don't feel so I'm afraid of, you know. Me have a machete down a farm there, you know.
Where you say? Machete!
Yeah.
You come to me with machete argument, brother?
You don't know who me.
Brother, lift up now, brother.
I know I'm going to live down a jail soon, you know.
Brother, just know what you do.
Don't talk to you, you know. Don't talk to you. Because if you bust your gun and it's stuck by you, my machete not stuck when I swing. I walk.
What going, sis?
Yeah. Hey, my brother.
Look tired though.
Mm.
Can't say look tired too.
Why am I tired of happening? You know,
I tell her to let us stay for work and all, yeah.
you know more and go to college, so I have to save up.
Yes, we understand the part, but hold on, college. But you can't join the part of plan, you know.
Partner, you know me and people don't like you know?
Listen, you work at 2 and you get gone already.
Because nobody can play with you. You don't like that.
No man, you can try it, I tell you.
So much money may I figure put in.
You call Virgin and find out. Rupert, how you say a big amount go now? The show on 20 grand and me get 80. Alright, Rupert. You are? Me and my sister here now, so I collect on 40 grand off her and make she get around 160. That must be a start off her college fee. Alright.
Pay how much?
Just pay the 20 then, collect the 80, then you pay the whole 80 and collect a big amount.
That sound too good to be true.
No sis, a 2 times you get draw. 2 times. Only thing a small amount me show. So try the big amount. And aim for it. A college you say you want, you know. No, chicken feed for college money.
You know. Alright.
So
I gotta deal with you.
get the money and bring come.
I deal with you, I take a chance.
Now take a chance, do it right, you know you better.
Let me say me I do it, me I give you money. Me I go down a yard
Alright.
and come back.
We there same way, we not too move.
Alright. So tonight your game?
Yeah man, just take time walk. No really hurry, you know, cause I have some of this.
I go with my daughter.
There, daddy.
Where can I pick you them in the house?
Chew out here cool.
Alright. Oh, you want right after you want with the Aki?
Right.
Right. I never tell you happy birthday, but happy birthday, my daughter. You get bigger now.
Thanks, daddy.
You're 16 now. I promise you from last year. Said this year I would have keep your birthday party by your cake, ice cream, and sitting there, but you know work out that way there. You understand?
Yes, daddy.
Someone you understand say, what we there now with the on battlefield. We are fight to survive. You understand? Tomorrow bring a better day. So I go promise you again. You understand? So when I reach bigger, if money make, I go buy a cake one day. When the money catch you. But for now, it's not a pretty place to live in. So I have to save money towards your future. You say you want to go to college. I cannot take the money go say you go keep big party, you care with your friend, and then laugh and eat and drink. And then tomorrow morning we there dead for hungry. So you look at what I have, I try to pinch it. You understand what I say?
Yes, daddy.
I see your face long down like the world go end, and so you go. You can't have your last money and eat it out today, and then tomorrow morning you don't have nothing. You understand?
Yes, daddy.
Someone you understand, say when you see we are going through rough time, just know say, a fight, we are fight to survive. It's not the pretty time now, here on earth. Some people, we see on the TV, they might live a good life because they might live off of me and you. Me, I fear survive it so that you can have a better education. You understand?
Yes, daddy.
So when you eat that, I want you to eat it and feel good in yourself and feel like you are a warrior because we dead on the battlefield. But tell you for locks up here a long time, you know, but you want pretty, you want platty.
Daddy.
But anyway, I don't force you to pick where you want, but I tell you say, you have to pick to survive in the warrior.
Yes, daddy.
Every time I talk to you, when I go out already, you hear a different story. But when I talk to you, I want you to know, say, what I say will come to pass. You understand?
Yes, daddy.
They're letting all different people in the island to suck out of the island and left I and I. That's why I feel mama run off, you know. Because I try to get the things them where they showcase on the TV all life supposed to set. When in reality, I cannot work to achieve those stuff. See, you understand? So life tough, yeah. I'm not want to get into too much vibes today, no, because your birthday is still. Happy birthday. You hear me?
Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
You, no matter what they say ugly, you turn good.
Yes, Daddy.
You're my daughter. I saw you ain't born for tan.
Yes, Daddy.
So what you do, you hold up your head and do what you do. And the same people say you're ugly, then go say you're pretty.
Yes, Daddy.
Because then we fight you now, but then go love you later.
Yes, Daddy.
Because of what you do. So when them say things to you, make it motivate you because of my time, you know. Them a run down beauty, and beauty is nothing but in the mind. So anyway, can't you pick Aki them? Where you want rice?
Yes, Daddy.
I'll get some rice here. I want some fluff myself. I'll get some banana, yam and them sitting there. We'll cook 2 different pots today. And I'm gonna sing you happy birthday. We have to try to survive it and we have to go back to the culture. You know what I mean?
Yes,
So,
Daddy.
now worry yourself, man.
Want some my banana with the rice too.
Alright, now worry yourself. I'll go back, I'll go to the road and see me get half stick of butter, pound of rice and some flour.
Yes, Daddy. Brother,
So, you move fast, man.
after me gonna walk the extra room.
Everything is right? Alright. That's enough, sis. Just link me back tomorrow and everything good.
I'm afraid, you know.
Afraid of what?
How much money me I give you?
I'm not afraid of the hotel when they might kill you out and that, jill you out and that, ring you out like a towel. No, man, come on, man.
And 2 years that take me to save, you know.
Same thing. Same thing. You're the big old hotel. You should have taken all 6 months to save this year. And you have to take 2 years. 2 years. Sis, come on, man. A better opportunity you have going on right here now. Change your life.
Me I take a chance. But me I tell us I'm afraid. You understand?
Don't worry, you're not afraid, man. Just
When me out, when me fi check your back.
check back in a 1 month time and everything legit. Just pray, take up your Bible at night time and pray after you get it.
You love go out with yourself, you know.
Remember something get through the 2 jobs already, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna go bed and get a sleep because me have work early in the morning.
Yeah, go on pan and slave hook, yeah? But they go and ring you out like a towel.
What say you do me?
No, but that's
Right,
you.
sir. Me not answer that. Right.
So my wife I see and thing so. Then they ring her out like a towel.
Are you below Victoria Island?
Take time, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, later. That's what me say.
Alright. Make sure everything go
How old is that?
Yo, look
Oh,
in
he good man, I MP man, I MP man.
You see her every
Yo,
job.
respect vote, my father. You have a vote, man.
Alright.
Respect my father, respect,
Manners,
respect.
manners.
Now come down office when they done. You're
Yeah,
dealing
yeah.
with the thing. Respect. Yo, one other.
Yo, you have a graph with the panel of my father.
Yo,
NSC, I do it
Yo.
so bad, man.
yo. Who there, sir?
Yo, right now, you out about
You know I fuck with my brother right now. Hold up.
So what going for the money? We are going to want a piece of it, you know.
Money there, man. Everybody has a piece side.
So, yo, what going for your machine, them?
Yeah, man.
Man said next week the shipment will reach. So when you forward in, no say thing in there, you know, 'cause I think grimy
I
one
see
time.
how you did there.
Me dey on the road, man. Me there, you good?
You know, say me good all when me not good, you know. But I pay stress in a jam down right now, here you know. You see this voting thing where we dey vote for the wrong person. You know me I talk?
Yeah,
Say this thing is a politics thing. And me not think say the side where you're on the right side of the pan.
Still and still, my side I best know. Because we are the whole heap of things to people. See, we all a fix road give them. We stop and give people food sometimes.
Me not think your party run no things. They fix road and so much patrol upon it. Eh? How many people are dead for hungry? Right now, some youth, them parents can't even buy a tablet for them do their schoolwork online. My party, give children tablet.
So what me I go get? Me have something to gain out of this.
What you mean?
You know something get a thought. Me a think back. Me a think about it and get back to you.
Yo, not take too long to think about it, you know. Because it's soon voting time. And you have to make up your mind first before the day come. Don't go down the road. Let me see you down town, you come home and buy you a drink.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come here, some people to talk.
Jody. Man, get some good stuff here. Yes, you are suffering. I don't like see people suffering. I'm gonna come down so. So, you know, say baby not ready for born yet, but then I must can start you off. And buy some flour, don't know fake flour. Saltfish. The no good them are not so hot, but you can go on.
Mommy now have no stove and no gas, you know.
Well, we can't help you with that. Me know me buy food gear. And this is not cooking oil. This is where you use wash dishes. And some sardine for the baby. I remember I said no cooking oil. This is still enough. Something for wash plate. The soap for bed. Tissue. Some seasoning.
No toilet, you know.
Well, use Jamaican style. Go bush. You know where you go. Oh, see rice here too. Something make it smell good when you're on the road.
You know, so I eat for a man in the way, and no box can give me for eat.
You only have 2 mangoes for myself, you know.
Pass on now, yeah, me sit down there. But between me and you, I don't have no stove, you know, so I don't know them go cook on the toilet part. And the toilet part, I don't know that go work.
Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must see how I help you.
So you tell me say you can 2 mango come and help me and give me the request one.
You should have said that you get mango and goods.
Thanks for the goods. My mom don't have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
That's what I want to talk to you about. I know nothing bad, man. I just tell you, say, you know, say, it's soon voting time, so you can't lift off of the side the way you're on, because you're on a negative side. You need to come on the positive side. Because nothing now going too good on your side. Right now, I'm up at one of my MP family them house. Yeah, man, then just give me some information saying going out on the road. So him me go check, you know, me and my MP right hand. So him me go check. Yeah, man. You have some money to give some of my people. They okay, you know, say poor people want money to spend. Yeah, man. Now check me MP, you know, say my MP are the better MP. You need to come on the side there. What you say, you come on the side there? Alright, don't bother take back your talk, you know. Alright, yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, come on this side, a better side. That the side in the front, that the side they come in and be a wickedness of one. Poor people are feely. A judgment. I go happen. Yeah, man. Sorry for those who don't understand. Poor people are suffer too much, my youth. You need to switch. Yo, look when me talk to you. See? I'm going to check my MP down the road. Yeah, man. Alright, big up yourself. Alright.
Someone buck the girl candy, you see. Hey, girl candy. Me here say you walk and I tell people, you know, if you come over on fear side, you know, I'm not depend that, you know. I hear, you never hear about pick a badness yet. Eh? Want you low up my side alone, I hear. Don't me have to talk to you again about that. I hear me I tell you.
You don't talk? Eh? You have party also? Eh? Who uno about uno have party? I be a tricky people them and tell them lie. Eh? I be a buy uno buy out the people them. Uno run party boy you move from yourself because you don't even know who you deal with. I buy uno buy out people. Uno tell your poor people brain and turn them in an idiot. Choose some of them now no education and take them for fool. I owe you. I owe you. And me a call girl. You can't style me. Yo, my youth. You can't style a styler.
You see you candy. Eh? You see you can't talk about man party now do nothing. Eh? And look on the road. I will beg people can build up yours. Look there. We take a place out of bush. What no I do? We not do nothing for people them. What you do? I will take people out of bush and give them good road for drive pan.
You see how me low you feel laba your mouth. I suffer no party stay, love chat. And tell the people them pure lie. Pack up their head, turn them in an idiot. Uno build house give people. Where, when, and how. And that you know the walk around and pine pan people beautiful house and tell the other people them how. And we build that the people so no draw them. If them having a their head say, uno go build house give them. When you not give them no house and number one, no build no house give nobody, you know wicked. You know wicked to poor people. You know have to suffer.
And the picker you get. I hear?
Poor
Picker you get.
Poor people want food to eat. So if a food we can give them, if we put sense in their head, make them come on the positive side, a hit we are going to do.
What you going to do?
What you mean what we are going to do? Me not going to do nothing now. But anytime you're ready to defend all who me call on my side, you come and see what you get.
And this me I'll get in your head the next time you call me side.
You're a real take charge lady.
Don't talk.
I surrender all to you, darling.
Yes. You're gonna follow my instruction. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Okay, darling. Remember to check me by the office.
Okay, no problem.
If you're going so early, you know, but you've not to expect me them at time of hours, I got to say go. How are you going there? No, man.
No, B.
No, be me a backside, what is?
How you would dress up for?
Explain yourself with this.
This year, I have to trace your body and clamp on the nipple them. But me not,
Chop tool.
me not have to use that, B.
What is that for?
You want me to show you?
Not show me, tell me.
I have to go up on your eye, cover your eyes.
So hold on there. So when me a woogie, me have to dark out the eye. Me want to see where me a go.
You're not go woogie yet, baby.
What is that for now?
If you go and find that, they handcuff them.
You cuff who?
You.
Me not go to prison. So baby, why aisle for?
If you rub down your body, make it moist, so it's easier for me, you know?
No baby, we are gonna sleep. We are gonna sleep. Me not understand what go on in that. No man! No baby,
So why
no!
you move, so?
No. Come on. Me not.
Babe, calm down. Me just did want to try something new in our sex life. You know, then we had like 50 shades.
Alright, but you see I send to them and I buy no more cucumber. I am all yours. No more cucumber.
Alright, so go take a shower now.
What do you mean, baby? Oh my love. Boy, that was a shower, baby.
True.
But anyway, by the way, you know what when me in the bathroom, I just remember something. Look on to me when I talk to you.
Alright.
The black bus, the vaccine. Look on me when I talk to you.
Mm-hmm.
Who drive that black vaccine there?
You have to ask me that, you know, see which part you come see me be. In the house.
Yeah, but when I come in here, true me come see everything on the bed and then so me have to wonder. Man, you know.
No. Babe, you notice you live a roadside. Vehicle easy where you can park there, so how me if you know about, you know, you need to say you come see me sit down.
No, but no man not supposed to park on my property
So
unless
you-
he come to me.
So you should have tell him if you not park on your property, me sit down right here up on the phone and wait for you. Although I expect you to come home so early stills.
make it be the last time you come see a vehicle park there. Because when I know you them a come to, I go in you.
You expect me must tell the people them say, yo, move from the door, move from the gateway. You mad?
No, but you have to understand what me I try to say. All when I know you them a come to are you.
But you come see, alright, you say you see it park out there. You see it park out there, which part you see me there. And I tell you say, the things that I put on I did for you. Is that not like say you come see money in here or you see me that chat to man?
You know me now use them things there.
And you see the gate lock.
See which gate lock? Yeah, matter of fact, you say you get yourself wrong. No gate no out there so I yet.
You park the veranda gate. There's a gate on the veranda. I come like you don't remember your house, look.
Oh, you're talking come on. Make me woogie tonight now, please.
You change my mood.
Really, baby?
If you accuse me, say, you don't want me to run man from gateway and sitting like I'm responsible for
I
government
never said a man in there, so how come you come up with man now?
Or the vehicle. I took me again and me get upset, man. Because you they can't judge me and
alright. Me I go on my bed. Something alright.
What do you mean by something alright?
Bedtime. You mentioned it out of your mouth, man. I never said man nor woman.
Remember, see when they talk before about the vehicle and you know about the park your gate or sitting.
Yeah,
so it could be alright,
man
man or woman, whatever. But the point is that you want me to go out and go tell the people themselves to move from a gate.
No worry. You forget that. Me forget that.
I'm responsible for government road.
I forgot that. Bed.
Victoria!
Oi!
Girl!
Wow.
How are you doing?
They hear what you're doing, son.
Can I video?
Girl, me and the MP are going with some wicked things on my video.
Stick up in there. Which MP you talk about?
Girl, you know which MP me attack. The one responsible for this parish. But anyways, I plan to change my ways and go to church and all, but God know I'm money tall. So anytime when me I collect from him and not normal. Right now I go collect one check down in the office. So I link him down in the office.
Hey.
But I don't no fear. You can't lend me $550.
I can't lend you something, man, but unless me I get back something out there.
Don't give a thing out type, man.
You get back money?
Yeah.
Alright, so boy, hey, them is something there, you know. I sign a death warrant if you make that David of the league still, you know. You can't make that David of the league, girl. You understand? You have to keep it as a secret. Don't make nothing to your phone with that David of there.
Him bad, man.
Why you ugly?
Yeah, tell her.
Look here.
I didn't sit here like hot. Why? Girl, I should even know. Anyways.
You can't make this a video leak, you know? Watch out now. Just calm and come back and I warm up my money. Hey, watch out now. You see me can get back the money from you. Hey, Ranje!
You know,
calm and come back.
You not done too bad.
Ranje!
I pray, baby. Someday I go and take it easy, man. I say, boy, I love our little body. I want to go and we can work out something, you know? How much is something again?
Can start from 3,000 and up half an hour.
No, baby, if your body look too good, I'll give you 7 grams still, because your body look nice. Already, come on, go back.
Alright.
Where are you going something? A shot to them.
Something I go buy.
Go take up that. Go down here, go take up that man. We can't see away on the road, girl. When you get them clothes there? Because if we are in a uniform, yo, go on down here, go take up them clothes, the man. Look, girl, that's serious, you know.
Oh, go on fire.
Alright, they are hold it, you know.
Oh, I'm tear. I'm just coming off of slavery.
Alright, they are hold it set speed, you know.
Oh, I'm tear.
I'm looking at that, getting upset a while ago. I see my way some things on the road. I say, oh, little girl now, no, she not really pre the earth, you know what I mean?
So I go in there young, you just have to teach them.
Yeah, man. So you go, man.
Yeah.
So what go on different with you, though?
They are coming off of slavery.
It is what it is, you know.
I tell all people them man, I want me and I pay me and give me no good money.
So what's the plan, though?
Meanwhile, I just have to go and juggle it. And juggling, see how I go.
So how long you go juggle it for?
Me I try to sort out if I can go to college. So I just have to do what I have to do and try come up with money.
So which college you want to go?
I want to go for UTech, you know. I love the construction thing.
You can do it, you know what I mean? Just do the necessary things you need to do and get yourself here.
Yeah, me have my subject them or something. Me just need to come up with the money. UTech accept me.
But I can tell you something, you know. The system been fighting marijuana for so long. And I feel that it's an era we part. If you're in an hotel field there, not for the white people, they would like it because it's in the nation still, so it can save you. Because what they fight the most is what really can help us.
So you really want me to sell weed?
No, you know, I want you to survive. Survive without selling the dignity. Would be selling marijuana because marijuana is in the nation.
Well, you say it's true, you know, but me afraid.
Fret not yourself still, you know. Because if I work, you plan to worry about lose. You can work there 50, 40 years and have nothing. Because if them pay a little or nothing, and they don't have nothing. You know what I mean? But if you run the risk and do something difficult and achieve your goals, then you start get. Construction, if you don't go to the right place and do the subject then, you can become a real life out of that.
I have to think about it, you know. I really have to think about it. Because nothing not go on. Nothing really not go on.
But did you know that funny enough, the same work that you do here, if you should do the same work overseas, you could make a living. Never few pound of the ice put one side, you know what I mean? So I can't start here, I look a portion of it. I'm show you how to regulate and how to distribute it, you know what I mean? Once you do it the right way and keep yourself, just watch out, just look out. Use your two eyes there and use your common sense. You can survive it, you know what I mean?
I'm going to try, you know, because I really want to come out of this thing and go to school, you know. I really want. I'm going to try. When you link me, I must link you.
Just link me a morning, man. Is it?
But what time? Because I don't call your wife come out to me, you know.
No, man, so I live alone, man.
See you, Rasta? Alright, so me check your man.
Yeah, man, just check I.
Shanice!
Oi.
I want to talk to you look at it.
Yes, hello.
You know, say people them from overseas only place that come down and
I know that.
you have to go left because they don't really want nobody here, you know?
That's true, man. I get up and pack up and leave, you know?
No hard feelings, so.
Yeah, man, that's how things set up.
For this swimming place, you could have stayed longer, but that's how it's set, you know?
That's how I go sometime, man. I pack up, you know.
Alright.
I get up and pack up, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you.
How are you there, sir, ma'am? What you say you're gone today? What you say you're gone today?
When I'm a friend.
When your girlfriend, you say you're gone? And a man you don't so with?
I follow me come out.
Oh, you can't walk by yourself? So where your friend there? And she couldn't follow you?
She a beard and me see him and he follow me come out.
When you grow, me have to have a talk. But differently, what you do with my daughter?
No, man, I'm not chasing my school friend, man. A long time I don't see her, so I'm just going to check her and follow her go.
So how come you pick flowers girl and them thing there?
No, man, actually water the day close by the road, so I go over to her and pick the flowers there.
You no feel say, show me old and you young, you no brain smart enough for me, you know. So I tell her say, she a virgin, she no ready for that yet. She no ready for a boyfriend yet. She has study her book. Further on in the future, you no can do them. So you see, the friend thing, find out you're not a friend again. When you see her on one side, you take the next side and make she go on.
Yeah, man.
The friendship done with you and her. You can go in your yard now. And go wash up the things them when we done for it. Yo, you not even know, you know.
Yo. But I pick up a badness in a dog. Car out of so grimy in my journal. You see me? I want to let it go. You think I don't want to let it go? You think I want to do this every day?
For real, man.
The next thing I probably kill them, kill me, but guess what? The politician money enough. I have to out of so do the dirt for them.
For real, man.
You see me? Amount of gun man and shit in right now, watch out.
Yo, so how you do for politician them and them set the system for fail, brother? I have in the streets.
Brother, you think so we don't want money? You have to feed me pitney them. So I have to out here. When you go to college now, just stay focused. Stay focused in the college and do it right. You see me? Because I saw you come down. Jamaica, I don't want an easy place. Hello. Oi. It's a bad man after all. I'm here. Tired, we see I walk a go work a morning time and look so good, you know. One like you don't want to take no chatting about me, I will think them, you know, man. I'm here. MP make sure so we get the thing them, you know. We are lock off the street. I think we're not so shaky. Me and you and me for response for you know. Right now, look over this one, look over this so far. Yeah, smell good. You may know man. It's a bad man there so.
My phone mash up.
The phone mash up? How yourself man, I send one of my kill carry money come give up your yard. Not where you live?
That's alright.
Nah man, I'm here man, I'm me response for you now. With there. When I come to you now with there. No joke. You send somebody come. Yo, what time bad dog come in general? You run a yard? What call him there for me? Not where you live?
No, I don't need any money from you. I don't want no money.
So I say you gonna disrespect me?
Disrespect you, come here tell you to keep the money?
So I'm gonna run off the place now. If you're this done.
I don't want anything from you, sir. Can I go now?
Alright, go on. You're safe on the road. Watch your step. Yo, they ain't gonna even know that. You know, someone will bust out here, you know that. You know, so I run off the place, man. Girl, it's not easy, you know that.
Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here.
Well, like they are so fine now. And take up on the road and beg 1 and 2 shilling. You know, add up, you understand what I mean? And every day the belly get bigger and bigger. So I feel say, I make a link for you today, because I know one lady with news team. You see it? Make she come give an interview, make people know say you really need help. Because 1 and 2 somebody go $100 on the website, nothing go add up here. You see what I say? So today in idea, I make somebody come give an interview. Either speak when if you speak and ensure say everybody knows say yo, you need help. Because it don't look like few man come back and like we say in a know say you're pregnant, that worse. So if you find one different somebody knows say gone and have to come back. You know what I mean? So it's something we can't plan for one that you know, does anything go on for you differently, you try and make you so tight. How much girl come give one, the lady come give an interview today. You understand? On the TV station. Because I can't do much, you know, because I have a little daughter down there, I try send her a school and now and the time rough. You know what I mean? Look at farming and go on. I can't some pop through and something for you said we can look about still, because you know the green's good for you.
My mom don't have no stove in on our gas.
Well, me think about that, so I carry some lagwood to some dry lagwood.
We in a fall still.
Well, your problem look like here, than me, but I carry lagwood still when the time dry, you know what I mean? You cook where you cook with it. Them still don't ask why it's so quick. So, let's take it back to the golden days, man. Don't worry yourself, man. And no take kind of on your chin or like you worry. You know, you them need to come. Your world, if you see what go on to come fight the war too. You know what I mean? So, me go make a link and idea. But I have some pop chai and something for you, some lago do the set speed. You know what I mean? So you can cook up something. See it? But I'm going to go down and try to get some flour or rice.
Well, flour.
Alright, I'm going to get some flour for you too and banana and this. You know what I mean? Alright, so now I say a word, man. I just go and check you. Make you know say everything good still. I still know say there and nothing to go on. Here?
So you know the money can live so you could change with me.
Can live for $50 with you. But I say if one good thing said, you see it?
Alright.
Hey, Miss Loveless, the four Germany order there. You ready or no? Yeah. Tell me to the. Well, I'm going to tell you, say time hot. Beg a call, no? Please. No, I'm talking. Let me call somebody there. Rupert! I'm 1 month now, you know. But tell me that, Bridget. You're mad somebody, man. What me tell my sister say now? Rupert, no, man. Don't do me that, man. Oh, you tell me say the woman run off. What me gonna tell my sister say now? Right, you know, I hit she at the pen bank, we go to college, I'm gonna like them thing, man. What do you mean the lady run off? Run off with what? That's too much money she collect that she run off. Boy, right, you know, a problem. You want so. Credit easy to buy, you know. Boy.
Yeah, the girl I tell about now, we're pregnant. She was a good little girl, man. She does get caught up in some situation where she had do things and protect herself. Now, like nobody no care for her still, so. I try to do the best I can do, you know. But if she a parent part, I just can't do more than I can do, you know what I mean? Because I have a youth to take care of differently. My daughter, I got high school, you know what I mean? And I'm here like burden the pan because fear mother run. But my story, if you go up on TV, you know. You know, right in my story, but I think she over there need help, you know what I mean? So I care about you talk to her and say Jamaica can help her, you help her, you know what I mean?
Alright. I hope this is a good story. And if it's that profound as you said, if she's able to speak to the public and beseech as much, then the Jamaican public will assist her. So I have no issue with doing this.
Alright, so we could do it then over here, so she there. So we can come, we'll go over there and see what happens.
Thank you for tuning into Jamaica TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and we're here with the beautiful Trudian. She is facing some circumstances beyond her control, so I'm going to allow her to tell her story. How are you today, Miss Trudian?
I am fine, thank you, ma'am.
I understand that you have a story to tell, and I understand you want to plead to Jamaica, so I'm going to allow you to tell your story. Please go ahead.
Good day, Jamaica. My name is Julian Works. I am pregnant, but my boyfriend doesn't know that I am pregnant. And I don't know when they, to be honest. I have no contact with him or nothing. So please, I beg you know out there if you don't hear my story, just try and reach out to me and help me. Please, I beg you know. I am young and homeless, please.
Alright, so what about your family members?
Well, miss, I tell you the truth, one of them turn them back for me.
I'm very sorry to hear that. So what do you do in order to live? How do you go by living day to day?
Well, I walk and beg with one sign, you know. As I can see, me bring you with me today.
So how is that working out for you? Is it accumulating the amount of funds that you need to live?
Not really, you know, because 1 and 2 people we give me 100 or 200 in my hand, but the rest of them not pay me no mind.
So how much does it cost you to live on a day-to-day basis?
Well, me not no budget, you know, so anything me get me take.
Alright, so this is a very, very sad situation. She's a young lady, tender in age, and she needs our help, Jamaica. So I'm appealing to the wider public. If any one of you have seen Mr. Troy Hanks, aka Chubby, I'm asking you to please let him know that his baby mama needs his assistance. I'm going to allow her to provide you with her telephone number as well as her account number. Trudy?
Okay, my telephone number is 919-2323. Well, see the account number here, 604-143160. Please remember, every mickle make a muckle.
Alright, thank you very much, Trudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. And again, thank you for tuning in to Jamaica TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
Wait, man, me have something to say. Well, thanks, Music Camp on TV, you know, a long time. I want to come up here, you know.
Yo! Brother! Your sister started. Guess who emailed me? You take brother home to you. See, I want to you drunk. You flex like you're happy for me.
I'm not drunk yet. Not yet. Right now, you don't even want to know what. Oh.
Talk to me. Talk to your big star sister. We are going to college.
You better cancel that college then, you know. You don't want to know, say. Yes, cancel it. The $40,000 when me show, where you give me for go show, the woman run off with it.
You better give me no bad news, you know. Somebody that you love ramp, you know.
But you see me sit down and say, stress me, I stress.
I'm like...
Stress me, I stress. Yes. Stress. I tell you the truth, I stress I'm going right now. See, if rum drinking me can take up. The woman run off with the money. Me a call the nigga from what they pound for my phone, he not answer me. Me have to use somebody phone in the shop card.
Yo, you see me. Tell you something you want to do it.
I say go, man. I say go. You know, when time you're caught up in something, it's sweet you 2 times and you in third time you get knocked.
Yo, me tell you, brother.
I say go.
Tell us that this sound too good for be true.
Yeah.
Tell you, man.
I learn my lesson you know. Say, when time somebody...
So make with me, I have to learn a lesson. Yo, 2 years me have to work for that, you know, brother, brother. 2 years, what that? Yo. Tell you, man. Tell us, me. Tell us, me no one. But I'm 2 years. 2 years, me have to sit down and work for people in the store and clean bathroom. Yeah.
I feel it, pressure, my sister. I feel it because they ring you out like a towel. I feel it.
Right, come on, the towel business. Oh, brother, I'm yeah.
Yo, where man them up on?
There, I'm father.
Yo, boss say, if you give them machine, because you know, so if you do the dirt, you know, because guess what? Them area are our stronghold. We can't allow them people to take over it, see? Yeah, man, because...
Bad dog, get this. You know, from my dirt, you know, my father, we have to deal with the crime, you know, my daddy.
Yeah, man, because it's a come on to election and money are going to run, you know, Zane?
You know, see, I run, man, my father, we get the thing there, we have to go live up off the road and no movements. The right thing.
Papai. Oi, papai. Papai.
Oh, fright me, man.
How much money me come for?
Lord, again, man. That's stress for me again, man.
Where you come talk about stress now?
I same thing with me and my sister today again. Man say no run off with the money.
Me no business with that. That not my business. How much money me come for, papai? You know me get me money?
No, me don't know where you get your money.
How much man money me borrow? He ma do site work up so and a 1 week left him come back. Me want me money, me no want not get 30,000. When you come to me and tell me about how when me put too much, me get too much. At 360,000 me forget papa, I me want it. Papa, me want me money.
I can't manage it. Cannot manage right you know.
You better manage because me want me money.
You what? Leave me that morning.
You better make sure you have me money in the morning, you know. Extra hell and powder house.
Just leave me that morning. Because why? We don't know why me. Why me? Why me? I don't know a woman. You can just find somebody else and get some money. No wrong. Look how much time people lost money. When you they out there and they rob you and cuss them, but I poor me when they try to help you. Why? That's how you go. That's how you go.
You want me money?
You see how the 80 can get back. That's all and the argument done.
No tell me them crap there no. It better you, me just give me 300 and take 60 for yourself. But Papa, listen to me.
Me look hungry.
Me want you go find out who hungry can be hungry for me money. Me want me money, Papa.
Check me, man. Check me, man.
Papa, you say if me come back down here morning and you don't have me money, a hell of powder house between me and you.
Yeah.
Oh, my baby.
Good night. Mrs. Stein-in-law, the pass and the cuss and the gun, but that what happen in a high temper.
A cuss?
Yeah. She didn't even stop and make me ask her what me just walk past me like it didn't even exist.
No, man, you don't know what happened. The man said with him partner plan, run off. You don't believe me?
Listen, but they tell you, you know, but tell her say this partner plan thing now work out. You understand me?
But the two jar them are nice though.
Yeah. Even though the two draw did successful, me still never trust that.
Yeah, but it is sweet, you know.
Left off of that, babe. But me just let me tell her say me never like the idea in the first place. This partner plan thing, never like the idea. Never trust it front first.
Yeah, you never trust it and I understand that. And the pass, make it pass and go on. Me go give back my sister and the other girl their money. Make them alright. But other than that, talk about now. What you did there from there?
I'm gonna look for my friend.
You're a big old Christian. Look where you know.
B, don't bother with that. Because you know say, me new to the Christian thing. You understand me? So, me just going to try. But me not fully changed. So you can't rush me with my dress code and everything change. Me just a try.
Well, anything you say now, cause I don't trust no man. One go put on clothes before pastor come. Get up. Hey, look there. Look on clothes. My God, man. They must have hurt up the man in the bar road. I want to cause accident bar road in Jamaica. But if you put on decency. Oh boy.
You know what, I lose the work down at the hotel today?
How come?
Now weed when me a sell and catch me as somebody, I can't say somebody set me up because I don't know how HOD just catch me so. Me dey on the corner, you know, I do my thing and the woman just come around the corner, me know see how to set up, me lose the work star.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see the hotel system is like that, you know.
Just try work out something and I just choose she not rate me no cause me no laugh up with them. Me just did I try little jugglings. Me don't know what me I gotta do star.
But we have to understand, say, your hotel feel you have to be careful. Because you see, this the reason why I tell you to sell the weed still. Because you see you want to go to college. You know what I mean? And I know that the hotel feel don't cut it because they really want better, you know. What they really want you to do is just be a slave and a puppet to the system, you know what I mean? So I give you the strength to say go forward. But know yourself still, man. It's not the end of the day, it's not the end of the road. The journey continue. You have to just work for yourself. Right? Listen, calm down now. Listen, I say to you. Just tell yourself say you're a warrior. Try to think like Nanny, Maroon.
Nanny would have a better chance than me.
Nanny never have a better chance than you know. I just the fact say she know what time it was. And you have to just put in your brain say right now, you're on the battlefield.
So what me do now? That more I know, you know. Cause me can't just sit down. Me have to move around and try to make some money. Me always at work. I'm not used to this whole staying at home business.
Well, like me say, you can't go. There's a lot of things to do, man. There's life before hotel. There's life before you even start work with us. So you can't go and buy and sell. You see how a little thing put one side. You can buy some things and sell it back.
Sound like it at work. But they know just have to do anything, yeah.
Apart from that, still, I have some crop on the farm still. Can come down and help me on the farm still and I give you a thing. So if that's the case, you can't do that still, you know what I mean?
Tell me when you're ready. Ready tomorrow morning? Cause me serious, you know.
Yeah, man, and keep your head up, man. Yeah, keep your head up.
Can't bother with you, yeah, man. Thief, yeah, man. Sure.
Browning. Stop them. Now minute.
Somebody I call me for the way.
Come forward. Right, you know, so it's time to ask you.
So what's up?
But me not so still. I know it's existing for a long time, you know. But all could recognize you. You know what I mean? That's advice a while ago. So through the time I go so dread and the time I get so red, you understand? Somebody just say, oh, I need to talk to you. But one thing, why you get white though? Why?
Because of the style, me have to inna the style. Everybody have bleach, so I'm not go bleach.
When I know you as a little girl, I see you as a leader, but for you go so and come back, I realize say you lost your way, you know what I mean? And at this time I feel that I'm a Gideon, yeah. We're going to need the warrior empress them and the warrior youth them to stand strong. You know what I mean? When you bleach yourself and you know love yourself, you know what I mean? You know what's going on. You're not aware of what's going on around you.
So hold on there. This really stop me for?
I stop you to wake you up, you know what I mean? Because I think you're in a dream, you know what I mean? And it's turned to a nightmare, you know what I mean? So if you don't understand what I say, I don't get it now, maybe when you go to bed tonight, you can sink in.
I really made still, you know, we have to say true facts, because you know I'm a good listener. I really listen what you have to say, because you know, each one teach one and you're ella for me same way, so. I like something I would really want to do neither, but you don't know. I the bro God thing or the in thing right now, so you know I can't do like I want to get left behind. I have to follow the crowd. How everybody I do, I saw the whole Jamaica told me see to live right now.
You're a beautiful black woman within yourself. So make that appearance come out. You know what I mean? Lego the bleaching, Lego certain lifestyle. Anyway, I just want to say it still because I want to feel good, I want to sleep good tonight to see you. I go down the wrong road and I tell you. But it's up to you though. I am in reason for you, know. I just talk with the pan of mind. I go so and you go so. But be safe on the road.
Sour, respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
What you hear say that, man?
So you sound so you go around so.
No, but you just come want girl. From what you me I look for you, where's my money?
Listen to me. Don't come contact me like that just because me since recently me I got church. Come me out in a giant church, me will answer you. Me not afraid to answer you.
You want to warn me about my money?
You go wait until when me have it.
Yo. You don't go ahead.
I better than me kill a girl.
I know that.
Don't for that one.
Watch me here.
Yo.
You know done it, you know. I know that. You think it's alright. You feel like you can't dance here, yeah?
Are we and the girl have?
My money have for me and I want to give me my money. Eh? Watch me and him I want to done him.
I did your friend, right?
One time, no.
Mama, you may say no. Me just have a reason a while ago. So me try to tell you, you could have kill her or she kill you. No sense to making it. You know what I say? But me say,
I'm a slippers you make pop out, you know.
calm down. Me talk to you a while ago. See, as I come out so war. You know what I say? Change the whole stage of the life. You know what I mean?
After me asking for my money, come back, you have to wait till me have it. I come back and tell me about church. I go and blood him. Just watch me and him.
How much money she have for you?
$550 after me and me want it. I could have even work for it, me want it.
500 and what?
550.
That's not fight over.
That be a 5 I could have even joke for it, me want my money and my money.
You won't go there now for you. You go pay her debt. It's $1,000 there. She don't owe you again. Just go do
Me still want my money.
Alright, me are done.
That is what half it done.
Me are
Half
done.
it
You
done.
see, so pay me $1,000.
She know who you
See
get.
up on the left, me take you right.
Alright.
Right.
You alright now?
Thanks.
Me have things to do.
Respect.
Hello, my name is Ashanti James. I am an actress at the Richard Brown Films. So I'm a fifth form student. It's my last year at the Green Island High School, and I would like to go to the Edna Manley College to further my education and further my acting skills. But right now I'm going through some financial problems, so that's why I reach out to the Richard Brown Films so that they can help me to further on my education, further on my acting skills. So this is why I push out to get help. So if there is anyone who is out there that is willing to help me, you can reach out to the Richard Brown Films. And also, so yes, I'm going through a lot of problems. So I wouldn't mind if anyone out there could help me. They can go over to my Instagram page. It's Shakaberry or Shakaberry25 and follow me. Also, you can go on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel at It's Shakaberry. Yes, thank you for your support, and it's a pleasure having you all here.
Alright, so big up on yourself, and as always, thank you guys for supporting Richard Brown Films. Alright, we are almost 60,000 subscribers and we're getting there. So we love what we love what we're going. Alright, also before we go any further, head over to Jamaiwood and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, because that channel is going good and we love the progress of things. Alright, so for us, we appreciate when you guys make those donations and you guys send in whatever you can. Thank you to everybody that has donated to the channel, especially the persons that have really sent something that is substantial to help move forward the movement. As what Ashanti said, she is facing a lot of difficulty as it pertains to family wise and furthering her education, finishing school, because she's at her last year in high school, so she's doing CXC, so she just wants to finish that and she need help. Us at Richard Brown Films, we are doing what we can from our part, but you don't know, we are not a big multi-million-dollar company. We are a small grassroots company that is still in the growth process and still working towards achieving some of the goals that we set for ourselves. So we are not really in the position to help her as we would want to. So we are reaching out to you, the subscribers, you, the fans who has always been supporting us. If you want help her, you can DM me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and then we can send whatever donation you send, we can put it directly to her, because so we plan to rent a house, bring in an adult to stay with her, so she can finish school and she can still take part in what we are doing, because she's a good actress and we love working especially with young people who have talent. So from our part, we're doing our best. And as I say, thank you guys for watching. If I don't mention your name directly, if you have made contribution, thank you, because trust me, we really appreciate it. But at times it's really hard to remember everybody. I'll have to go back through things just to find names, just to make mention of specific people. So thank you very much for your support, and honestly, I am so super excited from my part, who is one of the person creating these films. I am super excited. Honestly to God, I'm excited, and I'm at a place where I feel comfortable enough to make movies and to make people happy. So that's what we're doing over here. So keep watching, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up Keith the Respecter Blake. Thank you for your contribution. And also, he's an artist, so head over to his YouTube channel and follow him.
Alright, and also big up Vaughn Wright. Thank you for your contribution also. We greatly appreciate everything that you have been doing and will be doing in the future. So big up yourself and big up also your family and your family members that are watching the content. So big up on yourself. We're representing for not only Westmoreland, Negril, Petersfield, but the entire Jamaica. So big up everybody that is watching and supporting. Alright, my God.
Hello guys, I'm Colleen Green. I'm an actress with Richard Brown Films. And I must say, it's been a pleasure being a part of this team of great people, of course. I mean, we love where it's going. We know where it's going. It's going far. It has always been my dream to become an actress ever since I was 6-year-old. I mean, it's just great to know that you're actually doing what you've always wanted to do. It feels good. Thank you guys so much for the support thus far. And please continue to watch, share, and subscribe. Also, if you guys do have the time, please go ahead over to Colleen's Collections 2 on Instagram. I sell waist trainers. For all those who are, you know, you eat and you go lay down and you just... So yes, we sell all types of waist trainers, the ones that you can wear underneath your clothes, the ones that you can exercise in. We sell protein powders. We have a variety of stuff. And we also have new stuff coming soon. You guys can go over and check us out. Colleen's Collections 2 on Instagram. Thank you so much for the support. Blessings.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? It's always a joy to be here so we can reason and talk. You know what I mean? What's going on out there in the world. Big up on yourself, you know. So, before we go any further, the character in the movie that played my daughter, she talked about her situation, you know what I mean? So, I'm going to do the best I can do. So, you can do the best you can do, you know what I mean? One word, one movement, you know what I mean? So, as we go along, we try to do the best we can do and help who we can help. And who can help, just help too, you know what I mean? Because it's just life and it's a situation. And we're fighting a war here for real. I hope you understand this movie, understand where I'm coming from. So, this song is a very personal song. When I sing it, I not to write the words and feet. I just go in the studio and I sing it because sometimes I feel like I'm in quicksand, like I'm really sinking because of where this place that I'm from is really going. This place is paradise, but the people that in it is not living so nice. You know what I mean? We need more love and we need more understanding. We need more cooperation. We need more help. We need a lot of more stuff. But let's do it together though. You know what I mean? Each one teach one and each one help one. You know what I mean? So it can work if we all have the same goal of seeing a better Jamaica, better people, better mind, better thinking. You know what I mean? So as we go along, we keep the fire blazing. You know what I mean? From that time till this time. You know, I talk fast sometimes, but who are listening will hear. You know what I mean? So I don't come for long talking today because we have a song to play at the end night and a video, you know what I mean? So hope you enjoy the movie and I like to say big up. A lot of people out there world to big up now. So big up like Tina from Cayman, big up Miss Chin, Unique, Ear Castle. Yeah. You know what I mean? For the support as usual. And big up Damien. Long time never and Damien still. Damien, big up yourself, said speed in general. I don't see out there in the cold, I go and do your thing in general. Big up Bobo from Cayman said way. You know what I mean? So you know, so I be your work we are putting in said way. So remember Jamie Wood over the next channel to go over there and subscribe and watch. So we have some content. We have 3 sisters, 3 different minds. And following week we will do part 2 for that. You know what I mean? So look out for that. You know what I mean? So about things go on. We have some upcoming movie that you will see coming up. We have a lot of things writing now. We are putting out a lot of work. You know what I mean? And we have a lot of things to do. You know what I mean? So just stay tuned. And what a world, big up on yourself as usual. And big up Tats and Franco. You know what I mean? Yes, and big up. There are a lot of people name. I can't really remember all of them in one time. I should have write it down. But anyway, you know what I mean? Keep the fire blazing. Yeah. So, remember, Jamiewood City. Jamiewood Entertainment. Go over there, subscribe. Burn it down to the ground. Hope you enjoy the movie. Listen to that song. Yeah. Burn it down. Give me a pound of rice and a tin mackerel in the morning.
Pound of rice. In a mackerel.
Alright, so you want to put it on the bills as usual. You have money to pay here.
Alright, sir.
Better days are come.
Think you're Jesus, boy.
You Rasta boy. We gonna go.
We run this, you know. Think you're Jesus. Yo. Now, Black! Now, Black!
Harder.
Shop down them shop people, you don't know what's me grimy, boy, you know.
Where are the Rasta boy? Ease up, man.
Grimy, you know.
Go on to the Rasta.
That boy, Rasta boy, know what you're doing now. We run this boy, you know.
Curious King, Richard Flames. Working for nothing would leave you with nothing. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. The war is on, yes, the war is on. Before you're born, look like your life is gone. You see them, I love your first gone. It's the burden we bear. Who will listen, them will hear. Come on, my brother, clean your heart from the fear. These challenges that we face on a daily basis. Man, I kill them brother if you wear the latest. Almighty, him not the greatest. Dirty Babylon full of craft and matrix. I feel like I'm sinking in quicksand. I hope you understand. Who weapon launch and know them a blame it on the rat pot. Better know yourself and better lock chat. Them lock the church and left the cash pot. Come on Babylon, do better than that. Like this every day them want we bring back. Sorry for those who don't understand. Sorry for those who don't see their plans. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. All for themselves, them won't share. This place should have been tough and time better from what it is. Jamaica have become a big family, big sneer. Nothing sharing here no more. I see they send no love for the poor. I see them sleeping on the floor. People suffering, government keep on ignoring. Grandma says she can't take it no more. We are in a war here. Surrounded by leaders that don't care. For those who don't understand. Chop it on. Easy. Freeze it.